Y'all, I have gone through 4 bottles of Donna's recipe. The gummies are the best tasting gummies I've ever had in my life. They're strawberry flavored, love them, and of course they're vegan. But girl, can we get into the strength of this oil? Let me show you my edges. I looked and I was like, whose edges are these? And honestly, like I was just putting it up there. I was like, oh, let me just put it up here to see what it does. Every single time I would look at my edges, I was like, are my edges growing? Sis, my edges definitely have grown. I'm shocked right now. I'm shocked. Like I was struggling with like alopecia, and I have a video on my channel where I was using another set of hair growth oil, but Donna's recipe just took it to the next level. Like, Tab, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Like my hair, I couldn't tell when my hair was in a straight state if that it had grown or not, but now that it's back in a curly state and back to what I'm familiar with, I can tell that my hair has definitely grown. So I've already gone through 4 jars of the gummies, and I'm still on my first jar of hair growth oil because, like I said, I just use it sporadically, but Donna's recipe is the truth. Just like Tabitha Brown is the truth.